What do you think is the bigger risk? Timing in terms of when the Fed hikes, or how fast they have to follow up?
The risks, Martin, as you said a bit earlier, is that inflation picks up and goes out of control. And Steve mentioned it as well. But as to what the Fed does and when it actually moves, it has been long since taken out of its hands. Inflation is going to be so high, and the Federal Reserve is boxed into a corner. So if they do not raise in March and they have another 3 months of higher inflation rates, the market is no longer going to believe them. They are going to totally lose control. So that's the problem. And again, in the press conference on December 15th, Steve asked the chairman why he did not raise rates on December 15th itself. And the answer was that the markets would be very sensitive and the chairman should follow what the markets are saying. The risk is, if he's going to be so obedient and so much of a follower of the markets, it means that you are going to have increases in rates in fits and starts. He's going to increase it. If there is a correction, he will become dovish. Then inflation gets out of control. Then he is forced to increase rates much faster.
Wow,
That's
it
the
sounds like you're
scenario.
saying. Yeah, it sounds like you're saying that it's believability, it's credibility out the window, and it's going to be a situation of the tail wagging the dog.
You're absolutely right on all counts, Martin. And I have been saying this on CNBC now since the beginning of the year. Inflation is not transitory. It is going to be higher and higher. And by repeating that it is transitory, as the chairman has been saying until recently, he was already losing credibility. And it's going to be totally shot sometime in the first half of next year.